Hope everybody's having a good evening, having some fun, shooting some fireworks. Alright, here's the site. Let's take a walk. I'll be quick, it's raining, so bombing spree, Nishiki Dragon Glass. There'll be 2 more of those firing. Got Electrified and a Lava Sky. Lava Sky will be doubled as well. Got Vampire Tears, which is a beautiful cake. Bloodhound, Bulbasaur, Psylocke. Got Nova Drift going with 2 Hectics. And then there's a Pro line cake by Sunwing. I think it's PFC 010. Chameleon 5000. Sky Crisis. Chain Reaction. Got a Maze Runner. Night Siren. And a Neon Jellyfish right there. Coming over here, we got a Boo Berry. A USA 250. Up here we got Skittles, Always Dreaming, the Futurama, it's Fry, the other Nishiki Dragon Glass, Colossus, Yippee-Ki-Yay, Valak. I've had this one for a while, but it had to be shot, so 2020 Trump right there. Alright, we got a Whomping Willows over here, Mind Flare, the other Bombing Spree and Lava Sky. That one in the middle is a Mind Bender. It's a great cake. Up here we got VIP, Neon Jellyfish, Mother of All Bombs. We got Flamingo, a Hell's Bells, and the other Night Siren there. Got a Whoa Nelly, some racks. Got a Master Gold, Snoop Dogg, Let It Go, Lava Laguna, Snowblind, Optimus, Wall of Willow, Super Neon. Happy 4th, everybody. Have a good one. Be safe.